Hi to everybody, this is Luis Castelló, Marketing Manager of Basor Electric, and today I'm going to show you how to construct a outside and inside vent from a flat mesh. This is one of my favorite accessories because it's very easy to construct and we are not going to need additional items to the construction of it. So, what kind of tools are going to use? First, the pen maker, very important, to make marks on the roads that we are going to cut. Second, the asymmetric cutting tool. This is very important. As you know, this is a symmetric tool with this forming triangle and this is completely flat. This is very important. And the last item is the sprite of thing to cover the part that we are going to cut and avoid oxide in the future. So, we are ready, let's go! One of the advantages of this kind of accessory is that we are not going to make different cuts depending of the width. We are going to make the different cuts only to get different kind of radius. Depending of the number of cuts that we will make, we will get one radius or other. For example, with only one cut, we will make a 65 radius. If we make two cuts, 200 radius. 3 cuts, 300 radius, and 4 cuts, 450 radius. As you know, always I recommend you to mark the roads that you want to cut with a marker, because with this you can avoid problems of the wrong roads cut. So, in that case, we are going to start from the center of the Basor Basket Tray. In our company, the green advertisement is the center of the tray. If there are not this advertisement in the basket, you can make 15 counters and in the middle it's the number 15. So, in that case, we are going to construct a 65 radius and we are going to cut only one road. Now we are ready to cut and we are going to use this kind of tool. This is an asymmetric cutting tool. As you can see, this is a triangle form and this is a flat part. This is very important to make a safety cut on the road. We are going to remove this Basor advertisement to work better. Sometimes, when we make the cut, there are some parts that they are too much long. In that case, we are going to cut again and we are going to put the cable basket in the other position for a safety. Once a time we have finished to cut the roads, in that case we have cut only 4 roads, we will cover the part that we have cut with sprite of thing to avoid future oxide on the road. Once a time the thin spray is completely dry, we will proceed to bend the cable basket. Now we are going to bend the accessory. My recommendation is use one of your hands here to make powerful and use your arm to make powerful in the other piece to bend. Now I am here with my bend, very happy for the result. And as you know, this is 65 degrees of bend and this is an inside bend. Now I'm going to show you how to construct the outside bend only with one movement. As you can see, we have made an outside bend with only one movement from an inside bend. So it's very easy and very fast. You don't need an additional items. As you can see, we have made a bend of 65 degrees and we are going to construct from this model, from this sample, another of 300 radius. So we are going to need to cut 3 parts. First, we must to mark the roads that we are going to cut with the pen marker. In that case, starting from the part that we have cut previously, we are going to respect this and we are going to mark this, and the same operation but in the other part. We are going to respect this and we are going to cut this. Sometimes the roads that we have cut are too much long. In that case, we are going to make a second cut to make it shorter. Once a time we have cut the roads, we are going to cover with a spray thin the cut roads to prevent a future oxide. Now we have finished to cut all the basket tray. In that case, if we make this movement, we made an inside bend, but if we make the other, we make an outside bend. In that case, we are going to construct a 300 radius accessory because we have cut 3 lines. As you can see, the big difference with the other accessory, previously we have made a 65 degrees of radius and this is 300. As you can see, we have finished a outside bend of 300 radius. It has been very easy to transform from 65 to 300. As you can see, it has been very easy to construct the accessory for the inside and outside bend. The operation has been the same, but the unique difference is the way to bend, inside or outside the bending of the cable basket. Short summary about the things that we have to do. First, we have marked the roads with the pen marker. Second, we have cut with the asymmetric cutting tool. Third, we have covered the roads with spray of thin to avoid future oxide. And fourth, we have bent the cable basket according to the accessory that we want to get, inside or outside. So, this is all. Many thanks for your visit to our YouTube channel and see you soon and see you in the next video. Bye bye!